Hi everyone, I will show you how to create your Twitter account. First of all, open your Twitter app, then tap the create account and select the language, then tap the next option. And you need to tap here your name, email and date of birth, then tap next option and tap the sign up option. Now tap the authentication option and you need to solve these puzzles and tap the submit. Now the Twitter send a code in your Gmail. Now go back and open your Gmail app, copy a code, go back and enter the code. Now you need to enter your password and tap next. If you want to upload your profile picture, then tap the camera icon and select your profile picture, then tap next. And you need to select your username and tap next. Now tap the continue and again next. Now you need to select this option. You need to follow any one account. Then I will select this account and tap next. Now your account will be created. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar, so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.